Doing, sir? Yes, sir.
It's been a wonderful day, sir.
Yes, sir.
Working hard. Not watching pretty, you know, we don't start to do the best. Pleasing all our customers. I head work right across the ocean every day. I rise and mid-rise and residential homes. So we just appreciate your business whenever you're ready to send it across to us.
Fantastic. The homeowner, Mark, just came out a few seconds ago, and the first thing he said Barrington is actually doing more, and he has super succeeded my expectations already.
Exactly.
So, Barrington, it's great to always hear testimonies like that from homeowners, because on your website, Watson's Painting and Waterproofing, there's endless amounts of the same things that HOA presidents say, real estate agents say, property managers say, homeowners. You do an excellent job, Barrington.
Push clean the exterior to get that done also when you're completed with the roof.
Fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.